Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings on this device. Firstly, access settings and click on sounds and vibration. Over here you can tap on vibrate. This way you will mute your device completely and leave only vibrations. But you can also click on sound and tap on the switcher next to vibrate for ringing. This way you can switch on or off vibrations for your incoming calls. Now scroll down and click on cool vibration pattern. Now you can select one of those patterns by tapping on the best one for you, like offbeat, and going back. But you can also select silent to disable it or sync with ringtone if you want to. When you're ready, go back and do exactly the same for your notifications by tapping on notification vibration pattern and selecting one of those options. Then click on vibration intensity and adjust intensity of vibrations for incoming calls, notifications and touch ones by swiping left or right on the proper sliders. After that, you can also click on the switcher next to vibration sound for incoming calls if you want to. Then go back, click on System Sound Vibration Control, scroll all the way down and click on the switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable vibrations for them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!